Chipotle came back out with the chicken al pastor, so you know I had to go get it. Mmm. 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 This what little baby said on back of his chips. No matter what you are going through in life, remember, family is everything. Stay solid, stay woke, and take advantage of every opportunity that is provided to you because, like they say in life, nothing lasts forever. Little baby. 4 PF. Sorry, damn, I'm hungry. Mmm. Mmm. Now these more steady than the Doritos. The Doritos be breaking.
Ooh. This is like a Chanel pizza roll. These are bougie ass pizza rolls. These are fucking good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Kind of looks the same. These look so perfect. They're so beautiful. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. So good. Okay, so the cheesy puffs, so good. You have to eat them. They're super cheap too. They're like only $4. Like, it's pretty good. Like $1 each. It's good. I just got the buffalo ranch today for the first time. I don't really like it, but I don't really like buffalo, so it's probably just a me thing. I really love the cheesy jalapeno. This sauce is so good. So if you go, you need this sauce. Also, with the cheesy puffs, you need the marinara sauce. It just kind of like completes it. You need to try this. Okay? We're trying the 2X spicy noodles today. I am scared, to say the least. I bought protection. So good. Ooh, look at that cheese. It's honestly, it's not even as spicy as the black ones, I feel. Final takeaway, it was alright. The black ones are, in my opinion, better. Chicken sausage was my favorite thing out of all of that. So I'd probably give it like 7 out of 10.
Hey, what's happening? Let's play a game. Team Spice or no spice? Comment below.
Oops. I just got this huge box of air dried candies from Cosmic Crunchies. These are ice cream sandwiches. Big bag of Skittles. I already opened them. Big chocolate caramel crunchies. They're made out of caramel M&Ms. Chamoy tahini Skittles. High chews. Air crunchies made out of airheads. Cotton candy crunchies. Star Blast crunchies. Mmm. Mmm. I like this. This is good. Hmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I loved all these treats. I'm a little full now. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Tell me which one I should try tomorrow. Thanks.
Hey, what's happening? I saw this video online and I wanted to try it too. I went there and found out the only option they had was soy milk and soda. Let's try it out. That thing is boiling hot. I'm f***ing crying, bro. That should be illegal. Okay.
We're doing a what's in my bag. I got this off of TikTok shop and it's so spacious. I added the little charms and ribbon and then this little pin that my boyfriend got me. So let's see what I have in here. Starting with these two front pockets. The first thing I have here are my sunglasses. I love these. I have a stylus for my iPad, a pen, and a clock clip. In this pocket, I have a digital camera that I also got from TikTok shop. I'm obsessed with TikTok shops, so you guys are probably going to be seeing these videos more often. And I have my lip combo. In the main compartment, I have this reusable bag. It's really handy for when I go shopping. I have a brush. I have some hand sanitizer, spray hand sanitizer. A receipt. Of course, my wallet, my coin purse, and some gum. My Beats. These are so cute. I love them, and I got them for a really good price. I have this wrinkle eraser. I guess you just spray it on your clothes and then the wrinkles go away, but I've actually never tried it. I have my car key. I have the bell jar. This is the book I'm currently reading, as well as this little bookmark that I crocheted myself. Let me know if you guys have read this and if you like it, because it's starting off really slow and I don't know if I should continue. This little bag that holds more things. Just have a body spray, toothpicks because I eat out often, tissue, deodorant, more hand sanitizer, some Excedrin because I live by these, and this body mist. Last thing I have are my earphones, and usually I would have either my laptop or my iPad, but I didn't need that today.